Hello everybody. Today I'm opening one of these Mini BarbieLand and hope I will get some of the Barbies I don't have. Maybe I can. This is the fuchsia pink lipstick. Okay, let's see. Oh. Okay, so let's see. Oh, what? I think I saw this Barbie today. It's the one that has the face that looks like Miley Cyrus. I almost got her today. That's so fun that I almost got her, and now I got the miniature instead. That's fun in a way, because I actually almost got her today. Oh, she's really pretty. I really like this doll because she has this face. I always think of Miley Cyrus when I see the face, and I think Miley Cyrus is really pretty. So, that's a bit fun. Okay. Okay, thank you so much for watching. I have some other Mini BarbieLand to open, so I will do that soon also. Well, thank you. Bye bye.